Tesla's secret AI project that Elon doesn't want you to know. While you were sleeping last night, an army of Tesla humanoid robots was working at factories around the globe. What you're about to learn today will make you rethink everything you thought you knew about Elon Musk's plans. Today you'll see documents and facts that Elon Musk would prefer to keep secret. You'll discover why Optimus robots are already performing military functions, how Tesla turned into a global spy network, and what connects humanoid robots to secret Pentagon contracts worth $22 billion. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button, because after this video, YouTube's algorithm might decide you shouldn't see this kind of information. Let's start with what they showed you at Tesla presentations. Cute robots serving breakfast and folding laundry, babysitters for kids and household helpers. But that's just theater. Here's the reality. Optimus robots are already working inside Tesla factories 24/7 in 2025. And here's the scary part. Nobody knows how many there actually are. In April 2025, there was an incident Tesla tried to cover up. Chinese authorities demanded guarantees that Optimus robots wouldn't be used for military purposes. Why such concerns? What do Chinese officials know that we don't? Critics point out that robots in Tesla's promotional videos are controlled remotely by humans, not artificial intelligence. But the question isn't who controls them. The question is where those operators are located. Imagine thousands of robots worldwide, each one capable of being activated remotely, not to fold your clothes, but to enter your home when you least expect it. This is just the beginning, because what happens with the data these robots collect is even scarier. Every second, millions of Tesla vehicles transmit data to the company's servers, officially to improve autopilot, but Elon never tells you the whole truth. Tesla doesn't just collect road data. Cameras record people's faces on streets, house numbers, people's schedules. Microphones pick up conversations inside the cabin and beyond. The most shocking part is the connection to military developments. Tesla money is increasingly flowing into artificial intelligence, not just autopilot, into facial recognition systems, voice processing, and human behavior prediction. Imagine an AI that knows where you work, what routes you take, who you meet with, what you talk about in your car. Now imagine this information doesn't just stay with Tesla. In March 2025, it was revealed that Elon Musk gained access to secret US plans regarding potential war with China. Why does a billionaire born in South Africa have access to such data? All of this is just preparation for what Tesla plans to deploy in the coming months. SpaceX received $22 billion in Pentagon contracts for launches and providing Starlink satellite internet to the military. Ever wonder what this connection means for Tesla? The US Air Force is ordering Tesla Cybertrucks to simulate battlefield threats. Threat simulation or preparation for actual military operations. Supply chain sources report Optimus robot production has been halted due to unresolved technical problems. But what if these aren't technical problems, but ethical ones? What if Optimus robots are already ready, but their capabilities are so terrifying that even Elon Musk himself doesn't dare show them to the public? Think logically. If you have humanoid robots, access to billion-dollar military contracts, and a global data collection network, why limit yourself to folding clothes? Elon Musk is a master of double messaging. In public, he warns about AI dangers, calls for caution. In reality, he's building one of the most powerful AI systems in the world. Pay attention to his wording about Optimus robots. We plan to start sales in 2025. To whom exactly? For industrial use? What industry exactly? To closed corporate clients? Who are these clients? Elon never gives straight answers to direct questions about military applications of robots. Why? Because the truth might scare you. Studying Tesla's patent applications reveals systems for autonomous territory patrolling, AI for recognizing suspicious behavior, algorithms for group robot control. Does this sound like technology for a home helper robot, or like the foundation for an army of autonomous guards? The US has become so dependent on Elon Musk's business empire that it would be extremely difficult for the government to end this dependency. What happens when one person controls the future transportation system, satellite internet, an army of humanoid robots, and billion-dollar military contracts? Elon Musk is no longer an entrepreneur. He's transformed himself into something far more dangerous, into a person who controls the infrastructure of the future. So what do we have at the bottom line in August 2025? Tesla has created a global spy network through millions of cars, an army of robots ready for deployment, military-grade AI systems, and direct connections to the military industry complex. And the public still thinks Tesla makes electric cars to save the planet. Humanity is sleepwalking into a new industrial revolution where humanoid robots will replace humans in virtually every imaginable profession. This is what they're showing publicly. Imagine what's happening in Tesla's secret labs right now. Maybe while you're watching this video, somewhere in an underground Tesla bunker, they're already testing technologies that will change the world forever. Technologies we'll only learn about when it's too late. Subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about these facts? In the next video, we'll reveal how your Tesla car is already tracking your every move and transmitting that data to people you least want watching you. Remember, the future is already here. It's just unevenly distributed, and Tesla is keeping the most dangerous parts of that future a secret.